Hey family, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we are going to be putting down this turf. We're putting down this turf. I'm moving everything from that side to right behind me. Okay, so we doing the turf because to keep weeds from growing in the garden area, and to stop the grass from growing in the area. That way the boys don't have to cut that or try to weed eat between the pots when we get ready to put the plants out, the vegetables out. So I guess we're gonna jump right on into this video, y'all. Y'all thumbs up this video, subscribe to the channel if you have not already subscribed to the channel, share this video if you would like, and we're gonna jump right on into this video, y'all. Oh, and today it's cloudy today, but it's really warm outside. Like I'm about to burn up in my pullover. So hopefully our last frost is gone, bye-bye, and I can start putting my plants outside and buying new plants, new vegetable plants. So yes, y'all, let's jump right on into this video. Oh, I got Mariana out here hipping me today, y'all. You gonna say hey to the family? See. There was a spider, y'all. Go ahead and pull it out. Pull it on around. I'm going to take this inside. Stand back and look at it. I think that's real right there. We probably breathe. We're gonna put it up some so we can get it. Your side probably gonna go take down some. I'm probably gonna end up getting some of those stakes where you stake your tent down to put on these ends to keep it real tight. But I think that's a big enough space, y'all, for all the vegetables for this season. And hubby got these from work for the free 99. So we're gonna go ahead and put those out. super duper excited. Springtime is officially here. Time to get that grocery store back pumping. See, I'm going on prepping now, getting everything together now. That way, when it's time to start bringing them groceries in and putting them in the pots and getting them ready, I ain't got to do all this right here. Now these turfs don't last a long time. Like the blue one over there by the little compost bin right there. We had that one about 3 years, and it's just now turning up. So they don't last forever. But I mean, for 20 bucks. Baby, a beast at the job. Y'all can't read because it's backwards, probably for y'all. But it say, do not touch. Thanks, Miko. He was not playing with them folks about these pallets. I told Flip to take out 20 of them pellets. And I think 20 was enough for that. Perfect. And we still got walking room. And say I get more vegetable plants than I anticipate. Because you know I go over and beyond on certain type of shit. All I have to do is move it just a tinge closer. And I probably could get about 5 or 6 more pellets on it. And still have good walking room to amend everything and prune everything. Mariana said it's just like a workout, y'all. Okay guys, this is what it is looking like. And all I have to do is add my plants. And it's plenty walking room. Can y'all see? Plenty walking room through there. And then, like I said, get some stakes and put at the corners to hold it all down. So no more cutting grass right there. No weeds. It's easy to clean off. I just take my little water hose and just spray it off. And hopefully this work out. I mean, like I said, I know it's not a long-term thing because it ain't in the ground. But I like the setup. I like the way it look. And like I said, when I get my plants, just put them on in there. And we can all watch how beautifully everything grow this year. I guess that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Y'all thumbs up the video if you have not already. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Share the video if you would like to share this video. You want to tell everybody bye, Mariana?
Bye.
And we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.